How to remove a Zelle recipient from Chase. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can remove a Zelle recipient from Chase. For this, open up any web browser and head over to chase.com. Here, you want to click on the sign in option. Now enter your username, then enter your password and click on the sign in option. Once you have been signed into your account, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on options that say Pay and Transfer. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Pay Bills and Send Money with Zelle. Now click on Pay Bills and Send Money with Zelle option. Now you will see your Zelle recipients. Besides the name of the recipient, you will see three horizontal lines. Click on those three dots. Besides the recipient you want to remove, then a drop-down list will appear. You want to click on the option that says Edit Recipient Details. On this page, you will see an option for Delete Recipient. Go ahead and click on the Delete Recipient option. Now, a pop-up message will appear stating what will happen if you delete the selected recipient. To continue, click on the Delete button. And that is how you remove a Zelle recipient from Chase. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.